Yo, here's why you should stop trying so damn hard to get monetized on YouTube. Hey, what's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, making money on YouTube is a hot topic, right? I talk about it all the time on my channel. A lot of people talk about it. It's a big business. Talking about making money on YouTube is a big business in itself, right? But one thing I want to talk about in this video, which a lot of people don't talk about, is YouTube monetization, right? A lot of people, you know, they join YouTube because they want to make money on YouTube. And the first way that they know of or they think of to make money with YouTube is getting monetized. Videos all over the place talk about how to get monetized in under a month. Or you see these videos where people like, hey, I just got my first YouTube check, or I just got monetized on YouTube, right? And that's cool. Don't get me wrong. That's cool. But I did a video a couple weeks ago talking about why I'm done trying to make money on YouTube. And in that video, I basically said, you know, I'm done stressing over YouTube. I'm done stressing over the thumbnails and the titles and the descriptions. I'm just doing whatever I feel, right? Because YouTube is so damn unpredictable. And I feel the same way about getting monetized on YouTube, because if you're watching this, you already know you have to have a certain amount of what's the word? There's a criteria that you have to have before you get monetized. I think it's still, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and you have to have, I think, 4,000 watch time hours, right? And for a lot of people, that can take some time. You know what I mean? Depending on who you are, you know, it could take you a month, which would be crazy if you could do it in a month. But some people, it might take you a year. It might take you 2 years to get monetized, right? And with that being said, there's so many people out there who stress over that. There's people out there that be like, damn, I ain't gonna make money forever. Like, my channel only got 100 subscribers. I only got 50 hours of watch time. And it becomes, once again, stressful, right? Now you freaking out. Now you watching YouTube videos all day trying to figure out how to get monetized in an hour. Now you buying all of these expensive ass courses trying to figure out what you got to do to get monetized, right? Stop doing that shit. I'm gonna tell you why. Here's the main reason. YouTube, once you get monetized, okay, yes, it does feel good when you get that little approval thing and you can start putting the dollar signs next to your video. Hell yeah, that's dope. But in most cases, you're not even making that much money off of your YouTube ads. You're not. Like, you're not, in most cases, especially if you're not in the make money or financial niche or the health and wellness niche. It's going to be very difficult for you to make a substantial amount of money from just your YouTube ads. All right, this is facts. And I'm saying this because I see a lot of people in, you know, different niches, and they're stressing about becoming monetized. Like, I'm never going to be balling. You know what I mean? I'm never going to make money off YouTube ads. Well, even if you are monetized, even if you're monetized and your video's getting, you know, 1,000 views every video you drop, right? But you're in a niche where you're only going to get, say, $1 per 1,000 views. Think about that. Think about that. If you drop 50 videos in a month at 50,000 views, all right, that's $1. You're looking at about $50 a month. Think about that. $50 a month, right? And that's you. Damn, 50,000 views a month ain't bad. All right, so say your channel is getting 100,000 views a month, which is damn good, but your RPM is $1. Now, I didn't say before, but your RPM is how much money you actually take home per 1,000 video views. So just say your RPM is at $1 and you're getting 100,000 views, right? You're only getting $100 a month. That's it, right? So I really want you to think about that. Now, granted, different niches has different RPM. Now, that's why I say, like, when it comes to like finances, make money, health and wellness, some of them RPMs are, you know, $5. Some of them are $30, right? It just depends. But a lot of people have low RPMs once their channel get monetized. And my point is, you doing all of that stressing, right? All of them courses you buying on how to get monetized on YouTube. All of the videos you didn't watch for days and weeks and months trying to figure this out. Just to realize once you get monetized, your first check gonna be like $40, $30, maybe $200, right? And that's cool. Don't get me wrong, that's dope. But there's better ways to make money from YouTube than just waiting on getting monetized. That's why I preach like affiliate marketing. Find a product that you really rock with, that has decent commissions, and start promoting that shit immediately, right? Because you can start making money as an affiliate marketer day one from YouTube. You can put out a video, right, talking about a product, or just had a product link in your description, whatever, and that video could get 100 views. You could have 2 subscribers, and you can make $50, $100, $200, depending on what you're promoting from day one. Think about that. You could make way more money promoting other stuff on YouTube than just waiting on getting monetized. Because like I said, monetization is dope, but another thing that a lot of people don't realize, like YouTube monetization, YouTube ad money is fickle as shit. Like it could be high as hell one month, low as shit the next month. So it's not even really predictable, right? It's not like you can, just guarantee once your channel monetized that you're gonna be getting like, oh, I'm getting 500 a month, like regardless, right? It's so many different fluctuations with it. It's hard for you to actually depend on it unless you a big ass YouTuber and you already guaranteed like every video you drop, you're getting 50,000 views and you're getting you got a $20 RPM. Okay, you can pretty much figure you're gonna be making some nice little money. But most people don't make that off of YouTube ads. But keep in mind, man, listen, there's so many things that you can be an affiliate of, right? Or even if you don't want to do that, come up with your own product. You can do that. Or even, selling your own t-shirts and things. You can make more money from YouTube by doing those things than just waiting on getting monetized. Because I see that shit all the time. People be stressing and like, man, I'm about to quit. I'm never going to get monetized. Man, you can be balling. You actually can be balling and not have 1,000 subscribers. You can be balling and not getting a lot of views. Shit really is possible. You just gotta open up your mind, think a little bit outside the box, and take action.